Hi, this is Rob McCarthy. I'm with SkipperBud's at McRae Harbor and Belmere Harbor in beautiful Harrison Township, Michigan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2007 4300 Sovran from Tiara Yachts. As you can see on the aft deck, we've got fresh canvas, both the aft curtain and the drop curtain inside. Here we go to an extended swim platform that's integral to the hull. Here we are in the aft cockpit with ample seating for 5 or 6 easily. Notice on the port side there's a break in the U-shaped seat. It allows you to step up in built-in steps up onto the catwalk. Also here behind this seat cushion are DC and battery shut-off switches and engine room lighting. On the starboard side, we've got more built-in steps to get up to the catwalk safely and conveniently. And we have a wet bar here with a small refrigerator. Now we're on the bridge deck. This L lounge was especially designed to have a higher height so that anybody on this side of the boat could see out through the windows. On this side we have the double wide helm seat and the impressive dash of this 43 Sovran. Note a few things. This has the factory IPS joystick, which we'll talk about in a little bit. Also, updated Raymarine Axiom Pro electronics in the dash, and engine readings can all be read out on this smaller Raymarine multifunction display. Now we'll head down into the main salon. On the starboard side, you can see a nice size U-shaped dinette that converts to sleep. Built-in TV, nice L-shaped galley to the port side, with dual sink and stovetop here. Now we're going forward to the master stateroom, where you'll find plenty of storage in hanging lockers, a center pedestal berth, and an in-suite head with separate stall shower. Now as we head to the port side to go to the aft cabin, you'll note an 8.5 cubic foot refrigerator freezer with microwave oven built in over it. Now we go to the surprise cabin in this boat. To have 2 cabins this size and a 40-some footer is very impressive. That was made possible by the Volvo Penta IPS propulsion system. The aft cabin of this 43 Sovran has twin berths, but it's convertible to make it into one big berth, and then its own combination head shower. And along with that comes another vanity with storage above and below. In this boat, it allows the engines to go further aft, unlike a straight shaft boat or even V-drives, while at the same time putting the propulsion system with dual prop forward-facing pods that propel the boat through the water similar to an airplane. We're literally pulling the boat through the water and not pushing it. I'll be getting into the engine room and giving you a look around in just a moment. Okay, now I'm in the engine compartment of this 43 Sovran. You'll notice a newer, updated battery charger on the forward bulkhead. Here's the Onan generator in an enclosed box. Over on the starboard side, you'll see 4 air conditioning units. By the way, 2 of these were recently replaced. The nice thing about having the units in here in the engine compartment, that's something you don't see until you get to larger size vessels, but that way you're not sleeping over an air conditioning condenser unit that's under a berth. The IPS 600s have 435 horsepower. They're called IPS 600s because they propel the boat like conventionally 600 horsepower would propel it. Back behind the engines, you can see the top of the pod. Both, this is on the port. We have self-leveling water tanks on port and starboard. This is your Glendenning cable recoiler. Moving aft, behind the engine on the starboard side, you can see the top of the pod. And then over to the port. These are water tanks that are self-leveling on the port and starboard side. Then you have the Glendenning cable recoiler and the head system and an inboard fire extinguisher system.